Permutation with multisets. For a simple word without a repetition of the letters, computing for the total number of possible arrangements is easy. Let's say, for example, for maths is 5 letters. So for the first letter, we can either use M or A or T or H or S. So we have 5 choices. But if we, for example, if we use the letter A in here, for the next one we only have M, T, H, S. We have now only 4 choices of letters. And then we use again, for example, we use T. So we cannot use A and T, so we can only use M, H, S. So there's only 3 letters that are possible. In here there's 2 and then there's 1. So we just multiply these ones. So 5 times 4 is 20 times 6 is 120. Or in short, the formula is P n is equal to n factorial. So 5 times 4, 5 times 3 times 2 times 1. But for a word with a repeating letter, it will be less. Because, for example, we put the word asset. So if we swap the S in here to this one, it will be still the same word. So you have to remove all the ones that will have the same arrangement, especially for S. So the formula for permutation with multisets is N R1 R2. So it could be more depending on the number of repeating letters. For in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 6 factorial over S has 3. So the denominator will have 3 factorial. So if we expand 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, this will be 3 times 2 times 1. So we can cancel out this and this. So what's left is 6 times 5 times 4. So 5 times 4 is 20, times 6 is 120. So for a more complicated example, we have the word engineering. Engineering has 11 letters. Now the letter E, in here there's 3 E's. And then the letter N, 1, 2, 3 is also 3. Letter G, there's 2 G's. And letter I, 1, 2, there's 2 I's. So to compute for the number of arrangements, so 11 letters, 11 factorial. Now all of this we have to put in the denominator. So 3 factorial for this first one, and then another 3 factorial for the second one, 2 factorial for the third one, and then 2 factorial for the last one. Oh, sorry, this is 2. Now, so we substitute. This will be 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by this one is 3 times 2 times 1 times this one is 3 times 2 times 1. This one is 2 times 1. This is 2 times 1. Now if we multiply that, probably with a calculator, 39,916,800, and the denominator will be 144. And if you divide it, you will have 277,200 possible arrangements for engineering.